In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Slack API key. By the end, you'll have a working Slack app with a generated token you can use to connect your tools or scripts to your Slack workspace. First, open Slack in your browser and go to your direct message with Slackbot. It doesn't really matter which DM you use, but Slackbot is always there and easy to find, so it's a good starting point. Near the top left of the Slack interface, look for the main menu where you can access settings and tools. From there, you'll want to open the section that contains apps. When you see the option for apps and workflows, click that. This is where Slack keeps all the integrations, automations, and the tools you can build. On the Apps and Workflows page, look for a button or link labeled Build. Click Build to jump over to Slack's developer site. This will open the Slack API dashboard in a new tab where you can manage apps connected to your workspace. On the Slack API site, find and click the button that says Create an App. If you see more than one place that says Create an App, choose the standard option that lets you manually configure the app. When prompted, select the choice that says you want to use the configuration interface to add basic information, scopes, settings, and features manually. This gives you full control over what your app can do. Next, you'll be asked to name your app. Type in the name you want to use. This can be anything that clearly identifies what the app is for, and you can change it later if needed. Below the name field, click on the option to select a workspace. From the list that appears, choose the Slack workspace where you want this app to live. Once you've selected the correct workspace, click Create App to finish the initial setup. You'll now be on your app's settings page. Here, look for the section related to permissions or tokens. Click into the highlighted area that lets you manage tokens and scopes. Then, click the option labeled Generate Token and Scopes. You'll see a place to search or type to add scopes. Start typing the scope you need and select it, then click Add Scope. Make sure you choose the scopes that match the level of access your integration requires. Once your scopes are set, scroll down and click Generate. Slack will create a token for your app. Carefully copy this token from the highlighted field and store it securely, since it acts like a password for your workspace. When you're done, click Done to close the dialog. And that's it. You now have a Slack API key ready to use in your integration or automation.